To create any product, we need sketches. The sketch can be created using 2D sketch tools or 3D sketch tools. Now we are going to create sketches using sketch entities, and using sketch tool you will edit it, and to apply the characteristic for entity we use geometric relations, and we will use dimensions, and we are going to diagnose the sketch whether it is possible to create or add a feature for the sketch, and finally we are going to validate the sketch whether it is fully defined or it is partially defined. These are the different commands and topics we are going to cover in sketching of SolidWorks, and all these tools will be available in the command manager of SolidWorks. You can see here a clip of that view is shown here. To start with, we will first see the command line. Line is nothing but the shortest distance between 2 points. Here you can create a line in required direction, and you can create an horizontal line, vertical line, an angular line, and apart from that, when you create a line you will get an inferencing line we call as tracking. In AutoCAD you call as tracking. The same you can get in SolidWorks. So it means that the sketching is more user friendly and easier for creating any type of sketches. It may be easier, it may be complicated. Let's see how we can create a sketch using a line command. And now we are in the sketching environment, and I'm going to sketch on the front plane. I'm going to sketch on the front plane. Go to tools. You want to get a line command, go to tools, sketch entities. From here you can choose line. Here I said we have orientation like as sketched, horizontal, vertical, angle. Select the first origin here, second origin, how much you required. You can just go and create this. I require line of this, but it says 81.96, but I'm not able to create exactly 80 or 90. If there is any option here, yeah, of course. Let us first finish this first line segment, and I'll give escape to exit the command. If I once again need to execute the command, you can use enter key to retrieve the last command. And now I need a vertical line, and I can select the line from here. Before that I will enter the value as 60 here, and from here I select the first point, and you can see a vertical line of predefined 60 will be created. I'll give escape. Now once again I need to retrieve the line command. I'll go and select L from the keyboard, and I'll say vertical, horizontal, whatever you need you can enter here, and once I enter the value, accordingly it will be created. But I need an angular line to create. First I'll complete horizontal line, and I'll create angular line. Give escape. I'll go to line command, angular line, and here I will say add dimensions. It is selected automatically. If you need, you can select or deselect it. I'll say 50 or I'll say 30, and the angle is 25 degree, or I'll say 50 degree, and select the first point and second point. If you give the second point, it will ask only direction, the side direction. You can see the sketch will be given with the dimension, and also that is linear and also angular dimension. Now this is the sketch created using line segment. But once you are creating a line, you can also have the advantage I said inferencing. That means I want to create a line. You can see here it shows an yellow color line which is called as inferencing. You can draw parallel to this, or the line command is followed with OR command. If you want to switch this, I can select a A. Now you can see it once again it is switched back to line command. And there is one more thing I want to highlight here. When you create a line segment, you can also create an arc continuing with that. Before that, let's complete this inferencing, Like you can see here, when I move near to any of the line segment, you can see here it will show you the end point, or I can drag from here to get this midpoint. I think now it's getting here you can see midpoint from this line segment. I'm getting this. Okay, now what I will do from here, I will show an example. From here I will get a point from here, and from here also you can see a midpoint you can choose from here. So this is what we called as inferencing point. And once you complete this, if you want to continue with an arc with the line, I can select A from the keyboard so that it will automatically switch to arc. Or if you move cursor near to the line segment, you will get the arc command activated automatically. And now after the arc completed, once again start with line command. Now the line has been created, the entire sketching process has been completed. This is all about a line where you can create horizontal, vertical, as sketched, and also angular line with dimension and linear dimension. So it is angular dimension with linear dimension. And there is one more advantage we have here, that is you can create a line segment for only construction purpose. Means I want to create a line which should be used as a construction purpose. I can select a line which is showing as a construction line segment. And there is one more advantage line command, we have infinity length. If you use infinity length, you can say I want to create a line segment which can be used as an which will not have the start and end. And this line, once again, you can convert as a construction by choosing this option from the line properties. So using line command, you can create 4 type of lines, and also you can create infinity length and also construction line segment. This is all about line command.